Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect Outlook to Server. If Outlook is not connecting the way you expect, this process can help refresh the app and make sure it is ready to communicate properly with your mail server. We'll walk through the built-in settings in Outlook in a simple, clear way so you can follow along at your own pace. Start by opening Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Once Outlook is fully open, give it a moment to load your inbox and any account information. This helps make sure all menu options are visible and ready to use. Next, look toward the top area of the Outlook window and click on Send Receive. This section contains tools related to syncing your email and controlling how Outlook communicates with the server. If you are troubleshooting a connection issue, this is an important place to begin. From there, click on Work Offline. This may sound unusual at first, but switching Outlook into offline mode can help reset the connection behavior. In many cases, this is useful when Outlook seems stuck, unresponsive, or unable to sync properly. After selecting it, Outlook will temporarily stop trying to connect. Now move to the top left corner of the Outlook window and look for File. Once you find it, click on File to open the Outlook Account and Application Settings area. This section gives you access to information about your Microsoft Office apps, including update tools that can help resolve connection-related problems. Inside the File menu, click on Office Account. If your version of Outlook is slightly different, the layout may vary a little, but the option should still be available in the Account section. Opening this page lets you manage product details and check for updates. Next, find the Update Options drop-down menu and click on it. This menu gives you several choices related to keeping Outlook and the rest of Office up to date. Running the latest version is important because older versions can sometimes have bugs, compatibility issues, or syncing problems. Then click Update Now. Outlook or Office will begin checking for available updates and install them if needed. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed and whether updates are available. During this process, try not to close the application unless you are prompted to do so. Once the update is complete, Outlook should be in a better position to connect and sync correctly. If needed, you can return to the Send Receive tab afterward and continue working as normal. That's it for this guide on how to connect Outlook to a server.